New now at 11 o'clock, a man tonight who fought for more than 4 decades for freedom is not done fighting. Ronnie Long is filing a lawsuit against the City of Concord. You have probably heard Long's story. We have covered it extensively. In 1976, he was convicted of raping a woman, sentenced to life in prison, but always claimed he was innocent. In August of last year, an appeals court ruled Long's due process rights were violated, and a few days later, he was released from prison. That's the video you're seeing here, after serving 44 years for a crime he didn't commit. Tonight, Alex Giles is looking through a thick lawsuit, Alex, that Long is filing against the city. He is live. So, Alex, this is a lot to boil down, but what does it say?
Well, Molly, the thick lawsuit outlines exactly what happened to Ronnie Long, why his attorneys feel it was wrong what happened, the impact that it had on Long's life, and the damages that he is now seeking. In August of 2020, Ronnie Long's fight for freedom officially ended. Long walking out of Albemarle Correctional Institution a free man.
I'm trying to enjoy every minute of it. Every minute I can enjoy. What little time I got left in my life, I'm gonna try to enjoy that.
While the fight for freedom may be over, the fight for compensation is just beginning. After his release, the state of North Carolina paid Long $750,000 for his wrongful incarceration. But a lawsuit filed Monday shows Long is now suing the City of Concord and several former officers from the Concord Police Department. The suit states, quote, Long's convictions were not merely the result of mistake, negligence, or incompetence. They were the direct result of the intentional and/or reckless misconduct of members of the Concord Police Department. The suit claims Concord police investigators orchestrated a faulty identification of Long as a perpetrator, falsely arrested him, concealed evidence that was favorable to him, which ultimately led to Long being denied a fair trial, leading to his wrongful conviction. Law professor Colin Miller is not connected to Ronnie Long's lawsuit, but has followed Long's story closely.
Evidence trickled out over the decades that had been withheld: fingerprints, hair, carpet fibers, paint chips. And it just seemed every few years, here's new evidence that we failed to give to you at the time of your trial. And so both the amount of evidence withheld and the evidence of willfulness certainly would support his claims.
The suit states, quote, as a result of Long's wrongful conviction and imprisonment, Long sustained physical injuries and sicknesses and other personal injuries, entitling him to recover compensatory damages. Miller thinks Long has a good case.
Based upon my own review of the case and looking at the files, talking to witnesses, I think he has a viable claim. Question is, on the one hand, is he willing to settle? He might not be willing to settle. He might want to take this case to trial and actually have a finding that he was wrongfully convicted. And so that's a question mark. I think the state would certainly be willing to settle. The question is for how much, and is there that middle ground where both sides can at least feel satisfied?
And tonight I did reach out to the City of Concord about this situation. A representative from the city told me that they did not have any comment because this was a matter of pending litigation. Also reached out to Ronnie Long, his attorneys. They also told us they would not be making any comment at this time. Reporting live, Alex Giles, WBTV, on your side.
Alex, thank you.